coconut. Sa kanila ni Jiro yun, di ba? Coconut.
And let's give it up for Team We Rise!
Saan si Kyoshi? Sa gilid ko lang. Hello Luna, thank you for sending rose. It's too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a giant. The big delicious nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a oh, thank you, Chin Chu. Chin Chu. Ken Alvarez, thank you po. JT, welcome. Ken Alvarez, welcome. Then, let the coconut. Oh my God. Let the coconut.
Baby girl, come on, baby girl. So many uses of the coconut tree.
Si Tad.
Build a big house for the family. All you need
Ito ganun si Tad eh.
coconut plant. If it cuts the tree, it gets the fruit free. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa.
Gusto ko talaga mang ganitong sayaw lang. 2, 1, shout! Let the coconut.
Come on.
Oh my God.
You wanna know? Come on, baby girl.
Gulo ng buko.
Girl.
Thank you Ate Mai ulit for sending rose. Thank you Ulano for sending ice cream. Hello C.
Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl.
Fighting. Best dream maker.
3, 2, 1, shout!
Ito yung sa amin Tiger. Na-miss niyo ba yung Dream Maker, guys? Hello, thank you Vanna for sending rose. Hey Lance, thank you for sending fire. Hey, it's me.
That was lovey-dovey without submission 3.
Hey Cathy, how are you?
It's so hard. At ngayon, Street Rules and Neil. Let's go!
Who's Garcia? Thank you. Hey. Alam niyo si Matt yung idol ko talaga sa Dream Maker, guys. Matt Cruz. Siya yung sa lahat, siya yung pinaka-ace. Magaling sumaya si Matt. Then I train, this good, it's a friend, the king of jungle, we shake the ground. I'm going on my way, so take any fire away. Nobody can stop me, run to the end of it. Hero. Hey barbecue, Rose. Oh, thank you, Lance. Tiger, big rock, with this big boss, the sharp claws. Ito na yung video ayo. I just take my time, do how I want it. If I want it, focus on the enemy. Let the enemy face all your fears, then get at me. Can't stop me, can't stop me. That's my plan to turn my life around. Di ko pa kabisado yung Tiger. My way, so take it far away. Thank you, Vanessa. Guys, kamusta naman kayo? Favorite ko ngayon Tiger, guys. Maganda yung Tiger. Maganda sayaw eh. Bye sa SB19, si Josh. Sino pa ba? Big Ground. Big Ground. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you for sending a rose. Rose. I'm not gonna stop this way. Will I end up on the top? My way. Thank you, Walt Aaron. Thank you po for sending rose. And Siriu, thank you. Thank you, Maymay. Thank you so much. Bye sa Horizon. Siyempre si Kimmy. Rayster King. Kami yung mga tahimik sa interview kasi wala talaga kaming masabi. Steven, thank you. Kami yung wala talaga masabi kaysa magsabi kami ng di namin feel sabihin. Kaya, pero kapag sa stage, tagbibigay naman kami. Ito yung favorite ko din. Hello Angel, thank you for sending rose again. And Bus Garcia, thank you for heart.
At bago natin makilala ang Dream 7 ngayong gabi, we will celebrate how far our Dream Chasers have come. Kaya muling ibibida ng
Anka,
28
thank
Dream
you.
Chasers ang
Nikki
kanilang best performances
Yoji,
from
thank
the
you.
past
Nikki
mission.
Yoji.
Mga performances
Thank you,
na
Ate Yen. Thank you din.
pinagkaguluhan at hip-rep-party nations.
Always make me move. Nakamiss yung ibang Dream Maker, Dream Chaser. Sila Panpan, Josh Worsley. Si Ellie, andito na eh, kasama ko. Thank you so much, Olano. Thanks. Right here, take my heart, baby. Big rings for you, it's classy. Thank you, Rona, and thank you, Richard. Thank you so much for us. Sino nga yung isa nito? Kalimutan ko. Crazy. Si Anjo pala. Nakamiss din si Anjo. Alam nyo guys, sa Dream Maker, kasi yung mga friend ko talaga doon, sila ni Kerwin, Lem, ito na yung Bini, si Aya, Bini Aya. Cute ni Bini Mika. Parang long hair pa to si Gwen, Ate Gwen. Thank you, Lance. Mahal, baby. Bias ko talaga si Malo at saka si Gwen sa Bini. Yes, boss. Nasa Pilipinas ako ngayon. Out of my mind, girl, I can't let go. I look into your eyes and you're doing the same.
I see your open arms, even though you're still inside.
Hello. Guys, tanong kayo, ano yung pwede nyo matanong? Sasagutin ko. Di pa rin napapansin. Sino ba yun? Hello, Noreen. Thank you sa sending rose again. Mona Lisa dance cover. Paano yung Mona Lisa ni Mona Lisa? You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And the only prayer is that you realize. Alam niyo yung kanta na yun? Hindi niyo alam, no? Kasi luma yun.
I like my girls, be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls, be in the
Wait lang.
face.
Hindi ko to alam eh.
Fame, more need it, yeah, I need it. I like my girls, nothing just like a basic. Don't need no validation. Be so fun.
Wait lang. Medyo, konting aral lang, konting aral lang.
Might just blow it. I
Medyo
like
jacket mo na sa feel. Feel yung
I
vibe.
like my girls. I like my girl. It's better track. Got it on track. By the way you look, yeah, you about to cause a wreck. Yeah, you know I'm on the move. I can't stop up my nights. But she hold me down. She's so sexy, I'm obsessed. Yeah, told her in the sand, come and walk me. Love the way you take this stress and Louis off me. Cause she bad,
Wait lang.
and she know me, yeah, that's all me. I like my girls, be so fun. One to the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls, be in the face. Art is the fame. More
Tama ba?
yeah, I need it. I like my girls, nothing just like a basic. Don't need no validation. Be so fun. One to the night.
Dito.
Get me going, might just blow it. I like my
Left,
girls.
right, behind up, tug-tug ka. Tag, ta, ta. Wait lang, maliit lang yung space ng room, ng ano eh, background.
By the way, yeah, you about to cause a wreck. Yeah, you know I'm on the move. I can't stop
Di ko alam to eh. Na, ano ako na, yan. Tug,
I like my girls, be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls, be in the place. Art is the fame. More need it, yeah, I need it. I like my girls, nothing just like a basic. Don't need no
So, pagod na ako.
be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls. I like my girls. I like my girl.
Ay, ganun.
Jack, got it on track. By the way,
Eh, pwede pala siya sa ano eh.
yes, you know I'm on the move. I can't stop up my nights. But she
Ganda pala nito sa'yo. Wait lang.
I like my girls, be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls, be in the place. Art is the fame. More need it, yeah, I need it. I like my girls, nothing just like a basic.
Pwede.
Don't need no validation. Be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Eh,
I like my girls. I like my girl. It's better track. Got it on track. By the way, yeah, you about to cause a wreck. Yes, you know I'm on the move.
ganda nito.
Stop up
Tug,
my
tug,
nights.
tug, ka.
Don't she hold me down? She's so
Ka.
sexy, I'm obsessed.
Ta,
Yeah,
ta,
told her in the
dito.
sand, don't
Ito,
walk
ulit, tak,
Love the way you take the stress and Louis off me.
ka.
Cause she bad and she know
Ka.
me, yeah, that's all I need. And with the
And
devil that you're strong, you should sparkling. Yeah, you got me all in. Bad, 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 I know your ex is
Di-
calling.
Hirap ng timing
When
natin.
you look, I understand the hype. You know you're just my type. Gotta get you cause you know just what I like. I like my girls, be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls, pretty in the face. Art is the fame. More need it, yeah, I need it. I like my girls, nothing just like a basic. Don't need no validation. Be so fun. One plus the night. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Pagod na ako.
I like my girls.
Tita Weng, thank you so much. Ria, thank you.
I like my
Okay.
girls. I like
na to? Ano yung una? Tug, tug. Then, face pa to? Nakalimutan ko na agad. Ano pa ba yung maganda? Yung kay ano kay Jenny, feel ko kaya ko naman sa'yo yun. Natamad lang ako. BTS. Karon. Thank you, Shinder. Jinshin.
ngayong gabi. We will celebrate how
Grabe, hindi na ako makapag ano. Di rin na lang guro sa ano. Di rin. Friend ng kagka. Pro. Favorite ko to sa Big Bang eh.
씩씩하게 말을 걸어 넌 저기 시시한 I don't wanna go too fast.
Thank you, Ate Mai. Gulo na ng buhok ko. Sorry.
I got need some time, but I can't get you out my mind.
Ngayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Kyrie, thank you so much. Thank you, Ria. Cold tutorial. Sige. Oo nga pala, hindi pa ako marami na akong ginawa pero di ako nakapag-cold. Cold Horizon. Wait lang. Tuk. Dito yun eh. Tak, ka. 1 and 2. Yan. Yun lang siya. Tapos na. You're so cold. Then tap, 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 tap. Dapat parang ganun. Tak, 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 tak. Then go. Cold. Chat. Chat. Then 2. Back. Suddenly say goodbye to the sunrise. Lips blue, no matter what I say, we can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Oh, without you, life's rough, both of us don't know how. Into one cold-blooded DNA. You know. Thank you, Marianne. Forget about our days. Ito. Maganda yung ko. Feelings turn this cold. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Tap, tap, hey. Cold, cool, tap, cool. Ice cream. Boom. You're so cold. Those eyes are warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Thank you, Pau Pau. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much. May ice cream at saka rose. Hey, Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. Nuna, thank you for the rose. Nagdumi na si Kyoshi. Naamoy ko na siya. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm like the sun before. you're warm like the sun before. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes. You're warm like the sun before. Nung Dreammaker, ano ba yun? Thank you, Lynn. Nung Dreammaker. Mahirap ang Tagalog. Mahirap ako magsalita talaga, guys. Totoo lang. Totoong buhay yan. Mahirap akong magsalita. Congrats. Sino pa yun? Thank you, Ate Mai. Pate. Congrats, sorry. Congrats na lang sa'yo. Congratulations. Nahirapan na ako sa pick. Cho. Game, anong kinanta mo? Also, yung may and realize. Hindi ko alam eh. Angas ni Jay. Something. Thank you, Lynn.
This Romeo is bleeding, but you can't see his blood. There's nothing but
Thank you, Lian. Thank you, Angel. Angel Oben.
it's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I'm always been a fighter, but without you,
Uy, ang bawal ng ano mo. Si Arka.
now I
Yo.
can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to
Pabilog na pabilog ka.
But I guess I'm not that good at anymore, baby. Always and
Thank you, Ate Mai. Thank you po sa pagtambay dito. Thank you, Rona. Bana, thank you so much.
now your picture's there.
Galing na naman ni Kuya Jay.
Over different lives, some that made us laugh, some that made us cry, one that made you have to say goodbye.
Alam mo yun.
What a gift to all my
Hello, Machi. Hello.
touch your lips to hold you near.
Napapansin. Wait, ang bilis ng ano. Likes lang kayo, guys. Hello, Charlie, ma. Thank you.
When he holds you close,
Marami talaga akong na-miss ng mga tao.
when he says the words you've been needing to hear, I wish I was him.
Charlie, thank you.
To say to you, to the end of time that I will love you, baby.
Pogi ni Jay.
Always and I'll be there forever and a day. Always. If you told me to cry for you, I could. If you told me to die for
Thank you, Chen. Basahin na si Jake at saka si Sun.
get in my face. There's no price
Charlie, Matt, thank you. Zai, thank you. Thank you. Na-miss ko na mag-gitara. Sino na-miss ko? Wala. Hello, Zelen. Thank you so much. Anchor Neil? Neil ba to? Ay, oo. Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Wannabe. Thank you for sending gift.
in this loaded days, but baby,
Flex your favorite shoes. May bago akong sapatos eh. Bigay kahapon.
dreams and all
From
we'll find
Tita Meds. Ito. Feel ko magiging favorite ko na to siya. Ganda. Ay, nung mayong gabi. Wait lang, magbabasa na ako ng comments, guys. Feel ko marami nang nag-ano eh. Marami nang nagtatampo sa akin. Namiss ko ng mga mag-gitara. Oh, thank you, Yang. Thank you. Hello, Yang. Nakikita ko ata yung mga videos mo na-edit. Hindi ko alam. Parang nakita ko. May nakakita. Yamos Anchor, Danilin. Yes, namamansin ako. Thank you, Ate Mai. Parang love ako ni Tita Mai. Ate Mai. Hello, Jilin. Bana, thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, Aza. Thank you, Aza. Si Aza din nakikita ko yan, yung mga edits niya sa akin. Thank you, Aza. And Cornel, thank you din. How's life? Masaya naman. I'm good. Shoutout sa kay Sir J. Hello, Charlie Matt. Thank you, Matcha. Charlie Matcha. Thank you, Ate Maymay. Taga saan po kayo, Ate Maymay? Ito yung favorite ko na performance sa K-pop. Noreen, thank you. Thanks so much for sending Rose. Darling. Noreen, only Dan. Thank you for the rose. It's GD, baby. Thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. Justin, hello. Feel love you, baby. Hey, yeah. Are you ready for this? Stand up, stand up, stand up. Hey. Thank you again, Jillian, thank you. Ano pa ba yung pwede kong masabi, guys? Hello, Abby Kim. How are you? Kilala kita. Thank you, Noreen. Let's go! Namamansin ako, hindi ko lang makita yung mga name. Hatag Cluen ka mo balik Iloilo. Hindi pa sure. Yun yung clue. I just can't remember this. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kailan ulit ikaw mag-live? Depende. Baka bukas din ako magla-live. Thank you, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Baka bukas, depende. Depende sa mood kung magla-live ako. Pero pag magla-live ako mga 7 or 8, ganun. Let the bass drum. Harry, thank you so much. Hey. Let the bass drum. Bang, 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 bang. Spider. Thank you so much, Spider. Presenting Rose Spider. Thank you, Ria. Wow. It's Tang, baby. To, SB19. Ganto. Na-perform namin to nung first concert eh. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung ano eh. Live ng Gento. Boom. Oh, thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. I want some, get some later. Oh, thank you, Mike. Good karma shit with major. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics na eh. Nakalimutan ko. Oh, good shit. Thank you, Justin. Can you see marumi? Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Justin. Sobrang napaka-approachable talaga ni Kuya Stel sa SB90. At saka si Josh Cullen. Sobrang napaka-approachable. Si nonchalant si Justin. Nakasmile lang palagi. Oh, thank you, Tita Meds. Justin, thank you. Si Pablo parang like nag-observe siya lagi sa amin. Tapos tinatanong niya kami bakit isa. Parang ganun si si Kuya Ken parang seryoso sang tao. Yeah. Tapos lagi lang siyang tumatawa. Thank you Ulano, thank you so much. Ano nga yung ganito?
Di ko na kailangan lumunok ng bato.
Ay, ganito pala.
Makita ko, tanging mekaniko. Ay ako, lana mori-mori ko. Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagbato ng istoriko. Sure sa mga chismoso, halina't pumalik na rito. Di naman talaga madali. Ang hindi ko pa manood. Talagang mga tagumpag, beke, malang kong di pa listo. Lagi na listo, kahit pa sino listo. Yung nag-bisto, na-bisto.
Oh, thank you, Baby Muro. Thank you so much, Tita Meds. Thank you. Thank you, Rock. Thank you so much. Nagulat ako sa ano mo ah. Oh, thank you so much. Nahiya ako mag-ento. Nakalimutan ko yung step. Rack. Thank you so much.
Dito sa ordinaryo, kahit magsige hanggang sa pagduga.
Gusto ko aralin yung dam eh. Dam. Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Lalim nun. Dam. Wait lang. Anong sayo nila? Ito, All Out Sunday. Paano kaya? Ha?
Mo naman, sabi like you today. Kahit ano pa yan, combine me. Gusto ka na tuto, pag may dumating.
Parang may ganun.
Wala ako kikiligin. Sa positibo ay bahala pa pa rin. Kasi ito kaya ang dadaan, harang agad ang isip.
Ano ba kiramdam? Bumalik sa malawang gamatan. Di ba sapat ang tamang katapusan? Dito
Yayain ko si Jiro magdam.
at tinipon. Kahit matikman at tap na digo. Kaya tagusan, kapunang pamalit.
Eh. Justin, thank you. Charlie, Matt, thank you. Bias ko ulit sa ano, si Josh Colin. Thank you, Rack. Bukas try ko i-TikTok yan. Kasama ko si Jiro ulit.
Dam, anong bag? Dam, dam. Anong pakiramdam?
Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Yung lagi kong pinapanood yung tawag nito? Yung Watson's playlist namin. Watson. Ganda, ganda nun eh. Kasama namin Alamat at saka SB19, Kaya, G22. G22. Pinky May. Thank you for sending Rose. And Killer, I'm killing you. Horizon. Nah. Thank you, Rack. Hello, Ate Jessa. Mag-end live ako mamaya. Mga 8:55. Sobrang payat ko dito. Ngayon ata nasa 55 kilo na ako eh. Ito 46, 47. Hello, thank you. It's me, Jessa. Thank you, Ate Jessa. Thank you po. Soon mag-ML ako. Pag mag-try ko mag-stream dito sa TikTok. Well, thank you, thank you. Thank you po, Rona Olano. Thank you, Rap. Wait lang. Lakas ko pala dito sumayaw. Parang di ako nauubusan ng energy. Hey, hey. Wala akong ginagawa. Ba't ang cute ko agad? Mag-off na ata ako guys. May tumatawag sa akin. Bye bye.